Hello everybody! So in this video I'm going to show you a open source office program called Apache Office. This is as I said, open source. It's open source for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. So in this video I'm going to show you the Windows version here, and at another date I will demonstrate the Mac OS X install. So up here, I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, that is the installer. So to get started, and this will work on 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. I just happen to be running Windows 7 on this machine. So I have the newest version, which is 4.1.6. Well, there we go. So I just got, that's the setup folder. So basically you don't have to run this anymore. You just go into your folder. So I recommend burning that to a disk just in case your system fails or whatever you need to do. So if I click down here, organization, I'm not part of one, so I'm just going to click next. Now what you could do is if your family has accounts, you could set it up for a certain person only to use it or for everyone, but for this case I'm going to set it up as everyone. Typical in this case. Custom is for different things. Okay, so there we go. Here's the suite. Which I do not want to do. Alright, so here we go. So you have your text document, which is Microsoft Word. You have your spreadsheet, which is Excel. You have presentation, which is the equivalent to PowerPoint. You have drawing on here, which is actually really cool. I think if I remember, I used this program way back Drawing is really cool. You have database, which is like, I forget the name of the program right now that the Microsoft Office has. Then you have formula, which is something completely different. So to get started, I'm going to open up a text document, and looks just like anything else you would use. So if I do that, change color, usual stuff. So I'm going to discard that. Whoops. Spreadsheet. That's Excel. Same thing. Presentation. Looks exactly like PowerPoint. So if I do next, you can do, I'll just do that. Put in effect, do a wipe up. See, just like PowerPoint. Now this drawing is actually really cool. You could make postcards, you could do all sorts of stuff. I'll make it just a random color. There we go. So I'm just going to discard it. We'll go back in. This is a database wizard. I can connect to it, just like Microsoft Office was OneNote. I just remember what it is. That's what this is the equivalent of. And then you have formula, which is used for doing math problems and stuff like that. So if I go to all programs here, everything is in there. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.